In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to make an icon for your Roblox game. And if you want to know how I made this map, you can watch this video that's on screen right now. And with that out of the way, let's get right into teaching you how you can make your icon. The first step is to go into your browser of choice, go into the search bar, and search for Bing Image Creator, just like this, and press enter. Then, go to the first link, which should say Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. This will also be the first link in the description below, so go ahead and click on that. After you click on the link, make sure to log in, and after you've logged in, click over here and type in your prompt. After you finish writing out your prompt, simply press enter and it should start generating right away. After it's finished generating, you should see 4 different AI generated icons. Now I think that this one right here is my favorite, since it does not look too AI generated, and it still has sort of that authentic feel. Unlike this one where it generates some sort of plus. Now you might see this with your icons, although usually they're hidden away and not too noticeable. I think I'm going to go with this one because I like the style and everything. After it's finished generating, you can scroll past all of your different AI generated icons, and you can look at them at full scale to see maybe you don't want that one and you want another one. But go over the one that you want, then you can either download it or you can go to customize. I recommend clicking customize first so you can tune it to exactly what you want. Now that the customize tab is open, click on your image, and over here you can add in filters. For example, if you want to make it a bit warmer looking, do that. And you can also add some blur background to it. Or you can also do some generative erase. So if you don't like something in the background, you can erase it. For example, I don't like whatever this is, so I can quickly erase that and erase that object. And now that my erase looks really good and I like it, we can simply press looks good and we can download it from there. After it's done downloading, it should say download completed right here, and now you can head over to Roblox and use your icon. To change your icon, go on the Roblox website, then click on create, and then go to creations right here. And now you should see everything they've created, and if you're using a group, you can press this drop down menu and it will switch to your group. I'm going to change the icon for my Roblox tutorial game, and do this by clicking on the game, then going to places, going on your starter place, clicking on your starter place, going to icon, pressing change, then go to your downloads and click on the one that you just downloaded. And there you go, you should see your AI thumbnail, and press save changes, and now it's going to be in review. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video, and go watch this video that YouTube thinks you'll like.